channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much and welcome. I can't really shout right now because I'm on a train. I'm on my way to London and I'm so excited. I'll see you guys when I get to London.
Wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Makes sense, not
whenever I'm broke.
So guys, I just got to London and it is cold, like it is freezing. And I'm just waiting for my taxi so I can be on my way to the hotel. So guys, I just got to the hotel. I'm so tired, like I'm so tired. I'm ready to sleep. Let me just give you guys a room tour. It's really small, but like it works anyways. So I'll just show you guys around.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Makes sense, not
whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole, yeah. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own, yeah. Whenever you're down, man, I'll be letting you know. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. Oh, make I just love you and hold you for my hand.
Oh my god guys, how nice is the pajamas I got from Primark. I love it, like it's so nice. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice, but like it's really nice.
The next day.
So guys, right now I'm in front of the Buckingham Palace and I'm about to like show you guys around.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Makes sense, not
whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole, yeah. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own, yeah. Whenever you're down, man, I'll be letting you know. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together.
Oh my god, I've never been a fan of this royalty stuff and the palace stuff and all, but just seeing it, I'm just like blown away. It's so big. This is just like a different place in the UK, I swear to God.
Oh girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. Oh, make I just love you and hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand, my hand, my hand. Hold you for my hand, hold you for my hand.
Makes sense, not
over and over again, yeah, my love is running, but it feels like time is frozen and the night is full, yeah. Are we alone again? Every moment's golden, yeah. Feelings I've been holding in. It must be love, love. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's what.
So I'm leaving right now. This was a very good experience. At least, finally, I've seen the famous Buckingham Palace.
The next day.
So guys, this is a new day. I just finished doing my makeup. I just got dressed up in this really nice sweater. Everything I'm wearing is from PLT. And today I'm going to a place called Madame something. I don't know. I'll put the name like below right here. We are going to see like some celebrities wax figure and just see a lot of fun things. So I will just bring you guys along with me, and I'll see you guys on my way there. Bye.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Makes sense, not
Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole, yeah. Whenever I'm alone.
Yeah, this place is fun for pictures. So guys, right now I'm in a place called Canary Wharf Station, and this place is beautiful. Like, this place is so nice. Let me show you guys around.
Oh, girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. I'll make her just love you and hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand, my hand, my hand. Hold you for my hand, hold you for my hand.
Makes sense, not
Over and over again, yeah, my love is running, but it feels like time is frozen and the night is full. Yeah. Are we alone again? Every moment's golden, yeah. Feelings I've been holding in, it must be love.
Another place, I don't know. Who needs to go to Canada when you can come to the UK?
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Makes sense, not
Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole, yeah. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my own. Yeah. Whenever you're down, man, I'll be letting you know.
Hello. Celebrities everywhere. Hey guys, I just saw some bunch of celebrities right now. I'm about to show you guys Zendaya. Hi Zendaya. Oh my god, this is so cute. And now I'm about to show you guys Harry and Meghan. Hi Meghan! Hi Harry! I don't even know which one is real and which one is not real. Hello? What is this? Yeah. I just met Anthony Joshua. Woo! Oh my god, the lighting is good. Same bells. Kim Kardashian. Guys, I'm here right now with Kim Kardashian. Oh my god. And this is Princess Diana. Guys, I'm here with President Obama. So I just met Kanye West. Why are you not looking at my camera? This is Rihanna. Is it Rihanna? Yeah, it's she. Oh my god, this mirror was signed by Kendall. Touch you, Obama.
Welcome to the spirit of London.
This was the London. This doesn't try to be so hard.
Relatives of the living to suffer the slings and arrows of our
Oh my god, this
or to
is
take
so
arms against the sea
magical.
and by
Yeah. Oh, see your fire.
His Majesty King Charles II. Sir Christopher Wren was given the task of rebuilding St. Paul's. This time, from the moon to the fire, a new cathedral arose to fill the sky with glory.
Temple and King.
I know, I don't even know.
Oi, oi, oi! I'm about to take your photo. Oi, oi, oi! I'm about to take your photo. Oi, oi!
So guys, I've officially come to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.